Because this speaker, she is a nurse by profession. Are there any nurses in this room? Can I see the raise of hand? Any nurses? And you know this leader, this leader is also a very well-known leader inside Freeway Philippines. But she is rarely staying here in the Philippines because she is living currently in Brunei. And for me, this leader is like a leader or a person who works in the shadows. Meaning, you rarely see this person, but when she goes back, there's a lot of big results within her. And now, with every time that she's about to meet her leaders, I can definitely that this leader, not just having a leadership characteristic, but the way she treats his group, the way she treats this business, I tell you, comes from a very, very good heart, And now, her team, alongside doing the business for how many years? She already established a big group in Manila, in Pampanga, and of course, in Brunei as well. And every time that there's a Reway event, a lot of leaders and a lot of people would always say that I hope this leader would be one of the speakers because tumatak na siya sa utak ng maraming tao. So if this is the kind of leader that you are hearing right now from me, are you all willing to listen? Again, are you all ready? So with all that being said, please help me welcome and give a big round of applause for our Team Elite Pegasus and Sina.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Alam niyo ba na we are at full capacity right now? Even if you go outside, kung mag-CR kayo, maraming nakatayo at the lobby because they can't get inside anymore. There's no more additional seat. Wala nang monoblock. So lahat ng leaders actually gave up their seat for their guest para makaupo. So let's give them a big, big hand of applause for the sacrifices that they gave. They've been standing up. They've been standing up for the past 3 hours just so that dear guests could be given priority in comfort and they could listen with their heart and mind as well. So a big, big hand of applause to all the leaders inside this room. You know, our leader, I would consider him a top leader here in the Philippines. Team Supreme Pegasus 3, Mr. Raymond Tong, assigned me to do a debrief or a post-meeting of all the grand testimonials Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, spanning 6 cities, Davao, Iloilo, CDO, Cebu, Pampanga, Manila. So I am not very sure how I am supposed to do a debrief of all the testimonials in this city, but I will try to give it justice tomorrow at our Reway office at around 10:30 a.m. So if I could invite the leaders, please attend because our objective is to build momentum so that we could continually invite for the leadership training seminar on February 5. Okay? All right. So my name is Dr. Ann Sina. I'm actually an epidemiologist by profession. I took my PhD in University of the Philippines. I took my pre-med in University of Santo Tomas, and I took my medicine in Metropolitan Medical Center in I think Binondo. John, if you could show the operating room, I'm actually assigned at the emergency OR during the pandemic. So you could imagine how stressful it was. Now, as I was sitting there, I wanted this event to be more meaningful to the people who came all the way here from the north, south, east, west, sa mga leaders who paid 5,000 for a van for back and forth para lang makahatak ng invites today. I wanted you to have a sense of purpose? Why are you here? What will happen after today's event? So while I was sitting there, I was thinking, ano ba talaga ang nasa isip nila? What are they thinking? Will it work? If I offer it to people that I would know na kasalang ang integridad ko, will it work? Mapapahiya ba ako? Is this something in your mind right now? Yes. It's good to have foresight. It's good to be cautious. It's good to know all the answers before you actually approach somebody. Because by being prepared, then your closing rate will be higher. Tama? And so that is why Reway will do everything to spend millions, literally millions, to hold a gathering like this. So that you will understand what is at stake and what will be the outcome. No? So, in the 10 years that I've been in Reway Philippines, I can almost say that I guarantee kung tama ang positioning mo, hindi ka mapapahiya sa Pure Deer Placenta. Because at the end of the day, they have tried everything. Most of us in here have taken prescription medication. Mapaparacetamol yan, Mefenamic, Gaviscon. These are over-the-counter meds, but you've taken it. Does it guarantee anything? Does it promise cure? Is it an absolute remedy? No, isn't it? No, isn't it? And the longer you take prescription medicine, the higher the chances that your body will reject the effect. Meaning, darating ang time na tataas ang dosage, magpapalit ng brand, at magpo-poly drug therapy tayo. Ibig sabihin, dadagdagan ng ibang class of drugs so that it will be more effective until such time that it doesn't work anymore. Even when I was in medicine, second year in College of Medicine, I remembered my professor. She said, in your student life, you should already have savings for your upcoming prescription medicine because it will happen. It's not a question of when, it's a question of, are you prepared? Kasi pagdating ng panahon, when you're no longer working and you're depending on pension na kinakaltasan dahil may dati kang loan, and when you're depending on SSS na hindi ka naman ganun ka compliant, no, and you're only receiving 3,000, 4,000 pesos, how will you survive past retirement? So the question right now is, what have you got to lose by giving it a chance? Sometimes an opportunity comes, and when it passes you by, it will never come back in its original form. And so it's important that you grab it, you take hold, you don't let go, and you try to do your best kahit hindi mo alam. So ladies and gentlemen, back onto the question, will it actually work? Dahil nakasalang ang integridad ko. I promise, most people have immuno and nutritional deficiency. Most of them live a sedentary lifestyle in this generation. your body needs help. And the faster you recognize na talagang nangangailangan ng tulong ang katawan mo, the faster you address chronic inflammation or yung long-term na pamamaga, the more possible it is that you will preserve the quality of life comes your old age. And so taking your dear placenta with all the nutritional complexes in there, including 2 sources of stem cell from the placenta and from the antler, do you think if we address their deficiency by using a very, very good supplement like Pure Tear, makakatulong sa kanila one way or another? It doesn't have to be an absolute cure, but do you think in your heart it could help? And so, ladies and gentlemen, for the past 10 years, hindi pa ako napahiya sa Pure Tear. Palakpakan naman natin yan. And so, the other question, the other question that I was thinking that's probably also in your mind right now, if multi-level actually works, bakit maraming nasaktan? Char, pag-ibig yarn. If multi-level actually works, bakit maraming nasaktan? Is this in your head? But did you think about your answer? You see, ladies and gentlemen, it's not merely the fault of a company. It's not the fault of an industry. It's not the fault of the system. But sometimes it may also be the fault of a person. Do you believe? In order to succeed, you have to give it your all. Hindi pwede yung part-time lang. You cannot simply say na I'll work 9 to 10 and then during my off days tratrabahuin ko to. Because how much you give to your business is how much it will give you back. Let me give you a very good example. My husband, Eric Chok, is a 4th-generation Brunayan, Chinese Brunayan. During the British occupation, before oil and gas was found in Brunei, the Sultan, the royalties of Brunei, would borrow money from the Chok clan. That's how rich their clan is. They monopolize shipping, retails, real estates, and most of all, the British gave them the complete control over opium trading. You know what opium are. In short, my husband's family are drug lords, no? Let me show you a picture. Before that, yeah. You see this building, this Standard Chartered building? That entire building belongs to my husband's family. You see that flat? That was the first apartment that was built by my father-in-law. Next. Next picture. This building also belonged to us. Next. Next. So there are maybe 9 buildings, really, really tall buildings, other than what you see in these pictures. In short, my husband is comfortable. Tama? But when he heard about Pure Tear, for the first time, from a man called Alan Kang in Brunei, being a businessman, you are from a different breed. Your brain works differently than most people. You recognize opportunities more acutely, faster than normal people. And so when he heard the potential of marketing Pure Tear in the Philippines, did you know how many times he flew and drove from Brunei to Kota Kinabalu just to learn product presentation, marketing plan, and the new distributorship orientation? Ask me how many times he flew all the way. 7 times, ladies and gentlemen. 7 times. Just so he could understand if it could actually work. So I'm telling you right now, if you came from a very far place, and if you think nasayang ang oras mo by being here, think again, because there are people who actually gave everything to learn how the system works. Now, my husband thinks that Pure Tear is like investing in Microsoft in the 1980s. There will come a time that everybody will understand how proper supplementation can actually help people. Especially with the patent technology that we have right now. I know I've been to Alpha Laboratory in New Zealand where Pure Tear was made. It's a very advanced facility. It's 2025 right now. There is a big chance that we are actually doing the right thing with the correct technology. So if you think that stem cell will only work via injection, think again. The advancement in technology can allow Pure Tear 7 to really work in a person. It's very high efficacy and potency. Alam niyo ba na ang ating approach right now? Have you heard of the latest approach in stem cell technology? How do they treat cancer right now? They kill it? They kill it. How do they kill it? And what else? Okay. The latest trend right now is to change the cancer cell using stem cell so that it can become a normal cell. Instead of killing it, they're changing the genetic makeup to make it normal again. So we are in the year 2025. It's time that you appreciate the technology and the content of Pure Tear. Can I tell you a very quick story? Yeah? Okay. So, in 2015, the year 2015, exactly 10 years ago, I was working in a law firm. In that law firm, we do things very hectic, very tiresome and stressful. Suddenly, I felt a very painful headache. A different kind of pain. Yung tinatawag nilang thunderclap, have you heard it? Yung parang may sumabog. And so, when they did an MRI, may sumabog nga. And so, I was thinking all those years na dumudugo ang ilong ko, I thought it was just a damage to the capillary in my nose. Yung parang normal na nose bleeding, hindi pala. Sometimes, clotting from the brain can cause bleeding. Tama? And so when they did an MRI, I was already losing the posterior right connecting artery. Ibig sabihin, wala na yung artery na yon. Sumabog na siya. And so, when I started taking Pure Deer, I never experienced any more bleeding after that. So one way or another, there was healing. Tama? I can believe. Because in the 10 years that I've been doing Reway, I've always heard about people stopping bleeding after taking Pure Deer. Because sometimes there are structural components found in organics that works like drug minus the side effect, but it can be extracted and put in a capsule like Pure Deer. And so that's how it works. Later on along the years, I've noticed that even when I have polycystic ovarian syndrome, you know, when you have those cysts in your ovaries, matagal-tagal na gamutan yan, but when I take Pure Deer, it disappeared. And later on, I found whenever they're doing blood cam or when they check my clotting, healing time after surgery, I heal a lot faster. Most people after surgery would require 2 weeks, 1 week bed rest. When I had a surgery, wala pang 24 hours, I was already discharged and flying to Bacolod to do a product presentation. That's how fast your body heals and recovers when you're taking Pure Deer. So, don't be afraid to share it. Pure Deer doesn't require that you push hard aggressively. Sometimes you share the success, the journey, the recovery, couple it with before and after baseline, and tell them truthfully that nobody can guarantee kung gagaling ka or not except upon taking it yourself. Nobody can guarantee anything except yourself. So you have to take it first. So if you're able to position it as conservatively as you can, hindi ka mapapahiya. Tandaan nyo yan. Because at the end of the day, you are just using Pure Deer as a platform or as a vehicle or as a leverage to reach your dreams. It's not everything that Reway has to offer. Do you know why we have many offices in the Philippines? Can you show the next slide for me, John? You see this? Who remember this time? Yes. This is the grand opening of 6 branches in the Philippines. So we opened Manila. Manila, by the way, is the biggest among all the market, just like what Jaime said. Alam niyo ba that I attended so many grand testimonial? I attended Iloilo, Pampanga, Manila, and do you know, if I would count all the attendees, Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, it's an easy 6,000 to 7,000 attendees. Palakpakan naman natin ang Reway. For all the people that has heard Pure Deer and all the leaders who have offered their time, talent, and treasure to make a difference to a lot of people. So, during the opening in Manila, if you have a very big company, who do you think should cut the ribbon during the grand opening? The boss. It should be the core management team, isn't it? It should be the CEO, the COO, you know, it should be the chief directors. But who do you think cut the ribbons? The leaders who made a difference for the past 17 years in the market. So let's give a big, big hand to Raymond Tong, to Bonnie, to my husband, and to Ramon Ondo for cutting the ribbon in Manila and officiating the successful opening of the Manila office. And in Pampanga, I would like to thank and congratulate all those who were invited to open Pampanga Skytech Reway Philippines. And that's Ellen Sison, Joel Gamas, Janeline Monte, and Theodore Tong and me. So thank you so much for giving us this opportunity. So now it's not just opening the office, no? The question is whether there will be a volume of sale that will support the opening of the office. And so it's very, very important that in the next round, the best is yet to come. There will be somebody who's a lot more stronger, better, more driven, and can help millions of people. And when that happened, maybe we will have a headquarters in the Philippines? Yes, because we can actually support the market by then. So ladies and gentlemen, all of us have a dream, tama? We have a dream that we can live. I remember attorney JP Doroniliano, his dream is to buy the next lot from Deer Mansion for his parents. And so that's a very, very good dream. Because you honor and you love your parents and you put them at the forefront of everything. There are some of us who wish to make money enough so that the next generation will survive and have a good education and life thereafter. Some of us just wish that we could have a good retirement. Ask me what my wish is. Next slide. My wish is for my husband to be healthy for a long, long time. You see, people wish for money. People wish for long life. People wish for houses, assets, and all that. But at the end of the day, sometimes you just wish that whatever happiness, whatever journey you are with somebody that you love. Yeah? Sometimes life could be as simple as that. So, to people in here, who do you love? Do you love your wife, your husband, your children? Can you bring them with you when you go to different countries to attend leadership training seminar? Can you bring them with you when you eat many different courses of meal during an anniversary dinner? Can you bring them with you as you grow and develop and learn more? Can you bring them with you as you earn your millions? Can you bring them with you when finally your life is secured and stable? Think about this. Alright? So my sharing has come to an end. But before that, I would like to invite you formally to our leadership training seminar that will be held in World Trade Center in Pasay on February 5. Registration should start at 8 a.m. Expect that you will be given meals. It is free, but you have to get tickets from your upline. The speakers are very, very streamlined, filtered quality and thought by our CEO and founder himself. They have very standardized topic that will prove very, very beneficial in duplication. Kasi for you to succeed in a platform like this, you need to understand not just the product, not just the numbers, not just the system, but also the culture of doing Reway correctly. And so, the first speaker procedure, Ramon Ondo, he has years and years and years, I think 3 decades of experience in multi-level marketing. And he also worked in a corporate management position. He is someone that could really impart skills, technical skills, to people who want to understand truly the platform. Hindi yung platform ladder ng offshore, hindi yung rig, pero the platform of actually doing Reway International. Jazz is someone who's a mechanical engineer who've written books, technical books. He actually has review centers. So if there's anyone who could teach you and impart objectively, logically, practically how you will run the business, it should be Jazz. And we have Jeddah. Jeddah is one of the strongest female contender Pegasus in the entire Reway Philippine platform. Trust me, she will address how you satisfy the need physiologically, emotionally, into a higher level, so that you are a complete person when you actually start doing business correctly. And we have Joel Gamas, loved by many, many people, one of the strongest and biggest team in Manila. He will be doing a lot of sharing on, attitude. I remember Alan Kang. He said the most important thing, the most important criteria that will qualify you, whether you will survive in this industry or not, is your attitude towards the business, the people, and yourself. And so Joel Gamas will be sharing on that. Lastly, the father of the Filipino group, Diamond Galaxy 36, part of the core management team, and that's Raymond Thong. He actually maybe an easy 70% of the Philippine market belongs to him. So he will be teaching us. And all of this, they've been meeting with the CEO for the past so many weeks, just so that they could deliver the topics as carefully, so that you could appreciate it. And not just appreciate, but after the training, it's important that you really, really do something. You have to act on it. Not just know and understand. Hindi tayo teacher, hindi tayo facilitator. Like what they said, it's not how good of a speaker you are, but how much action did you actually put forth. So with that, thank you so much, and I hope that I've given justice to the topic.